Hi guys, the Cardiff Connected Jobs Board is a great way to recruit top talent and continue supporting the Cardiff Connected community. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Jobs Board to post about a job or an internship on the platform. To do that, go to Jobs and click on Post a Job. Over here, you put in all the information required for the job post or for the internship post. So I'm going to do that now. So now I've filled in all the required details, and make sure you enter the salary and the location and any other requirements for the job post. You can also attach an image to go with the job post. Make sure that you select an appropriate image, and to do that, click here and upload from your computer. You can also select an end date for your job post. So I'm going to do that now, December. And once you're done with uploading, done with entering all the details, you can finally choose how the candidates contact you, whether by email or through your website. And either way, just give the important information there. And once you're done, click on post. And there you go. Once you're done posting the job on the jobs board, you'll be able to see it on the right-hand side of the main feed. You can also post the same job on the main feed to boost visibility. Just click on your main feed and over here paste all the information for the job or internship post. Once you're done with the text, you can also attach an image just as you did for the jobs board. And make sure you give your contact details and any other important information. And once you're done with all of that, click post. Now your job post is visible on the jobs board as well as on the main feed.